Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, we are about to get into some tattoo edges with my locks. It's a style that I've been wanting to try for the longest, but it doesn't look right because your girl got real thin edges. So you gotta fake it till we make it. So what we about to do is we're about to put some tattoo edges on my edges, and we're just gonna try this little wrap style. So I have 4 different types of edges to choose from. I have these. We got these. I got these. And this. So I think we're gonna go with, I think we're just gonna go with these for the look. And no, this isn't my first time using tattoo edges. I tried this before. I'll insert another video so that y'all can go back and watch the other videos that I've done with the tattoo edges. But this is just gonna be a new look using the tattoo edges. So what I like to do is I just cut it right down the middle. So they give me 2 pieces. Then next, I go in and I perfect my cut. What I mean by perfecting my cut, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cut around the tattoo as much as possible without actually cutting the tattoo. So this is what it looks like when I'm finished. Boom, we got 2 pieces. Now I'm about to pull my hair back out of my face. Now I'm just brush my hair back. This one goes on this side. No, I'm not. This one goes on this side. You want to get it as close to your hairline as possible without putting it on your hair. Oh, also it has a protective layer over it. So when I'm applying it right now, just trying to figure out how I'm gonna position it, it has a protective layer over it. So once I figure out how I want it positioned, then I'll take that layer off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off. And when I apply it now, I'm really lining it up. I'm not pressing it in, because once you press it in and it's stuck, then it's stuck. And I'm gonna take my makeup brush, I'm gonna damp it with some water, and I'm gonna use that to apply. I'm gonna cut each piece and apply it piece by piece. On the back of the tattoo, it does give you the like how to position it. So this is the tattoo side, just the side that you're going to see, and this back side is just to help you position it. But we ain't finished. Hold on. Gotta trust the process. definitely a look, y'all. Like I said, it's just a camouflage. My little thin edges. It's definitely a look, so I'm about to play around with it some more and see what other kind of looks I can get. But that's it for the video. So thank y'all for watching this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.
You doing business to test